All right, welcome back to part 3 video and answering the test question. What is the diameter of a circle when you set the circumference and area equal to each other? I'm continuing this part 3 video and showing you key knowledge that you need to understand. If I'm going too fast, stop, pause, rewind the video, watch it over. Okay, so since the area and the circumference are set equal to each other, there's a few things that you need to know and understand. And so when you set the formulas equal, this T should be an L. That's a language mistake, not a math mistake. So set the formulas equal to each other. And when you solve, you're going to solve for R, right? You're going to solve for R in the formulas. And in order to find the diameter, you must double the radius. So in order to find the diameter, you must double the radius. If you don't understand, don't worry. I'm going to show you a visual a little bit later on in these instructional videos. So again, you would double the value of the radius, or r times 2, in order to get the value of your diameter, right? So r times 2, the value of r, times 2. Like if the radius is 5, you'd multiply 5 times 2 in order to get the value of the diameter. Again, I'm going to show you that information a little bit later on. I don't want to confuse anybody, so stick with me. Sorry about that. It wasn't very smooth transition. I hope it didn't blind anybody. All right, so again, here's the two formulas. For the area of a circle, you get pi times r squared. For the circumference of a circle, it's 2 times pi times r. So what I've been explaining, I'd like to show you, right? You want to set these two areas equal, the area and circumference of a circle equal to each other, right? And I'm going to show you that here now. So pi r squared equals 2 times pi times r. And again, anytime you have these terms right next to each other, it means multiply, right? So 2 times pi times r, and pi times r squared. Now, the goal is you want to solve for r, either on the right side of the equal sign or on the left side of the equal sign. You want to get r all by itself, and anything attached to r through multiplication you want to eliminate and turn into a 1 if it be possible. So here you're looking at pi times r squared. Again, anything next to each other means to multiply. And 2 times pi times r. I'm showing you that, what I verbally just explained. And in order to get that value of r all by itself, we're going to use inverse operations to solve for r. I've created a number of different videos where I talk about inverse operations, 1-step, 2-step, multiple step equations. Check out my videos. It will clarify what it is I'm talking about if you don't understand. But stick with me for the next part 4 video. What I'm going to do is show you 2 methods to get to the same answer. I'm also going to give you some helpful tips on how to conduct internet search to find practice. Get my tongue out of the way. Woo! Practice worksheets with answers. Thank you for joining me. Math is easy. Take it step by step. This concludes the part 3 video in answering the question, what is the diameter of a circle if you set the area and the circumference. What is the diameter if you set the area of a circle equal to the circumference of a circle? Woo! Thank you for joining me. Math is easy. Take it step by step. Please like, follow, share these videos. In part 4 and possibly part 5 video, again, I'm going to show you 2 methods on how to answer this test question.